Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best single stage auto paint you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best single stage auto paint in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is SpeedoKote SMR Black Paint. If a urethane-based, single-stage black paint is what you require for your project, the SpeedoKote Speedo Line Hot Rod Black is known for its ease to work with and for how durable it holds up. Black is one of the most popular color choices in the automobile industry. A gallon of urethane paint containing 3.785 liters of liquid and a hardener measuring 0.9475 liters are included in the kit. The mix ratio is 4:1. That means you must first combine 4 parts paint with 1 part activator before spraying. If a thinner of up to 10% is required, make sure it is a urethane reducer to maintain chemical compatibility. The paint contains 4.8 pounds of VOCs per gallon. The paint has a consistent jet black texture. It dries quickly, reducing the time required for recoating. It is effective at reflecting UV light. So, if you use an outdoor garage, it'll be a great investment. The paint is chemically resistant and provides rub resistance. As a result, if you try to polish it like old SS painted cars, it will not come off the surface. Our second best single stage auto paint is Restoration Shop Acrylic Enamel Auto Paint. This acrylic enamel is 2.8 VOC when used as packaged, as no reducer is required. The optional additional reducer may be added at a rate of up to 1 quart per gallon if desired. Use XR series exempt reducers to maintain a 2.8 VOC level or use the UR series urethane reducers for a 3.5 VOC level. Acrylic enamel is a professional easy-to-use single-stage high-gloss paint coating system that is designed for overall automotive refinishing but is also used as a fleet and industrial equipment coating. Acrylic enamel is an easy-to-spray fast-drying top-coat system that provides a long-lasting and very high-gloss finish result. A is a very durable, chemical and solvent-resistant coating that also resists chipping, cracking, and UV ray fading. The Restoration Shop Acrylic Enamel System is a professional easy-to-use single-stage high-gloss paint coating system that is designed for overall automotive refinishing but is also used as a fleet and industrial equipment coating. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is SpeedoKote High Gloss Jet Black. SpeedoKote High Gloss Jet Black is a 2-piece kit that includes a 0.75 gallon can of SMR 9705 and a quart of SMR 9705A medium activator, for a total of 1.0 gallon sprayable. The acrylic urethane paint has a VOC content of less than 2.8 and mixes at a 3:1 ratio. With its UV resistance, this car paint is intended to withstand the elements. Furthermore, the paint is medium dry and medium cure. This SpeedoKote car paint is a high gloss paint with a high image distinctiveness. It's also worth noting that the auto paint is chemical resistant, so you can count on this paint job to last. Number 4 in our side is Restoration Shop Boulevard Acrylic Enamel Auto Paint. A gallon of acrylic enamel paint, a pint of acrylic hardener, 5 strainers, and 5 wood paint mixing sticks are included in the Restoration Shop Acrylic Enamel Auto Paint. The acrylic enamel has an 8:1 mix ratio, and the overall VOC content is 2.8. This car paint is a single-stage, high-gloss paint intended for complete automotive refinishing. Because it has chemical and solvent-resistant coatings, acrylic enamel paint is extremely long-lasting. Furthermore, the car paint resists chipping, cracking, fading, and even UV rays. It should also be noted that no reducer is required with this auto paint. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best single-stage auto paint list is House of Kolor Kandy Basecoat. The House of Kolor Shimmerin' 2 Kandy Basecoat, the best overall car paint on the market, is extremely high quality. This car paint's special base coat technology hasn't changed since it was introduced in 1982, and for good reason. This car paint has quick coverage, high pigmentation, and low solids. Though this particular car paint is candy in color, Shimmerin' 2 by House of Kolor is also available in metallic and pearl. This car paint has a wide variety of effects that go beyond the standard pearls and flakes. This paint is made up of 3 components: carrier bases, effect packs, and cosmic reducers. It contains only 3.5 volatile organic compounds.